Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is an update on mining Renec. Renec is a token on Remitano. It says you can win up to 50 USDT on the Renec mining game. So it says discover the latest mini games on Remitano this week. So the new mini game is going to run from simple mining August 10th to August 30th. Who will become the king of Renec miner and Remitano. So the thing is that they are giving away 50 up to 100 USDT. It says here the total price is up to 100 USDT. Participation is from August 10 to August 30th. So this is a giveaway to encourage Remitano users to utilize the application in mining their token. So it says step 2. The steps to enter this particular giveaway is lots of attractive prizes. Hurry up, don't miss out. So if you have Renec greater than 50, you are eligible for prize 1, which is 20 USDT. Prize 2, Renec greater than 30, that's you'll be given at least 2 15 USDT, then Renec 20 Renecs, then you have at least 5 USDT. So these are it works, guys. As lightning miners, then we have king of miner, the most and fastest amount of Renec until the end of August 30th. Number of prizes we get 50 USDT. Then the lucky miners, there will be number of 10 people. So there's going to be a random participating miners of about 10. Total prizes are 10 Renec and t-shirts. That's what they'll be giving away. So it says they join now. Don't forget to, you can also subscribe on their YouTube channel for interesting videos about crypto. So guys, all you need to do is sign up on Remitano. Sign up on Remitano, download the Remitano application on Play Store. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this. By using the link, you get a discount. It's an affiliated link, you get a discount and a partnership link. So your experience with Remitano will come at a less cost effective way. So guys, I hope this update was helpful to you. This is just an update on Remitano, Renec token, and the current airdrop giveaway of USDT. So you can have the opportunity to win USDT when you participate in this competition. So mind you, it's going to end by August 30th. So guys, peace out, guys. One love, and see you at the top.